everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dovie with Simply Dovie, and if you're new here, then please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the little notification bell. That way you will get notified when I post new videos. And today I have an adorable DIY for you. Easter is almost here, so of course I need to do something Easter themed, and I am going to show you how to make this adorable Easter headband. Look how cute it is. They're little gold ears with the little pretty flowers. And I think that it turned out really cute. My daughter is actually already trying to steal it from me, so she really liked it as well. So I hope you're going to like this video today. And if you want to see how I made it, then continue watching. The supplies you're going to need are artistic wire. This is a craft wire and it is 16 gauge, 1.3 millimeter. You're going to need a headband, and mine is about 3/4 inch in width. I'm going to be using white ribbon in the size of 5/8 inch in width. Going to need a pair of scissors and also some wire cutters and some pliers. You're going to need some flowers, and I'm using pink, yellow, and white. And I got this flower stem from Hobby Lobby, and I just pulled the flowers off of it. And there is kind of a little bit of a long stem on the bottom of the flower, so I just took my scissors and I cut that off. Also, I cut a few of the leaves off of that same stem, and I will be using some of those. And last but not least, you're going to need a hot glue gun, and this one is kind of crap, but it did the job. So I'm taking my wire gauge and I'm going to measure out 9 inches with it, and I'm going to double that over and loop it around, and that will be the size of my ear. Now I'm going to take my wire cutters and cut that wire. And I'm going to take my wire again and cut out my second ear, measuring it to the 9 inches, looping it around, and cutting it with my wire cutters. Okay, so now I'm going to take the ends of my bunny ear here and go ahead and wrap them around each other. And then I'll take my headband and wrap that end around it just to go ahead and adjust the size to where it will fit on there nice and secure. And I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to go ahead and kind of squeeze that wire onto the headband to make it even more secure. Also, I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to help keep that bunny ear in place. So here I'm just doing a little bit of adjusting, making it be where I want it to be and adjusting the bunny ear shape some. And right now it's really not that important, the shape of the ear, because in the very end you can go ahead and shape it up how you like it. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing with the second ear as I did with the first ear. Okay, so now it is time to put the ribbon on, and I start by putting some hot glue at the end of the headband, and then I start wrapping my ribbon around the headband, making sure that it is overlapping a bit, that way you cannot see the actual headband underneath the ribbon. Now when you get to the very end, then go ahead and put some hot glue on it and just go ahead and finish off that ribbon and making it nice and neat. Now that I have my ribbon wrapped around my headband, I'm going to attach my flowers using my hot glue gun. I'm going to try and balance out the flowers along the top part of the headband. That way it looks nice and even on both sides. Here are the finished bunny ears, and I think that they turned out absolutely adorable. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do decide to make this headband, you can tag me on Instagram. I am Simply Dovie on there. You can find the link down below. I would love to see photos of yours and like what colors you chose for your flowers. It just turned out really cute, and so many flower combinations that you can make with this. And I think that these would go really cute with like an Easter photo session. So anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.